And I've seen this going around so many times on TikTok, and I'm gonna address it because I am not a mother. Stop standing on your tippy toes and saying, "Bana, you guys are fighting against kidnapping and don't know." God, about poster. Umntana wakho ndimazi igama, ndimazi ifani, ndimazi ufunda phi, ufunde Western, ufunda grade 5A, igama le-Interhouse yakhe ngu-Busy B. After class isikolo sakhe siphuma ngo-1 aphume aye kwi-netball, aphume kwi-netball aye kwi-swimming, aphume kwi-swimming aye kwi-drama, aphume kwi-drama ayokhwela kwimoto yakho. Ndayasazi i-school bag sakhe sinjani, ndayazi i-uniform. Siyixelelwa yonke le nto nini? Siyixelelwa yonke le nto nini for free? Ayondawo yoposta abantwana ke le. If you guys think that this content of you guys telling us about your kids is cute, but oh, my daughter just also kidnapped. You guys are feeding creeps exactly the information they need to know. Nango ke creeps ziyamazi umntana kuphuma ngo-7 ekuseni endlini uyomdropha esikolweni ngo-8. From 8 yazi umntana kuba izawuba Interhouse ke namhlanje bayobaleka eDivorce Malan Field. Why are you giving these people this information for free? We are not in the mood to look for people, guys. We are still finding ourselves as well. Please protect your kids. If that's fine, do as you please, but not ngumntana. Stop posting information on this app. This is not your friend. Posta pa ku WhatsApp. Posta into personal yomntana wakho ku WhatsApp, not app. Ngoku mna ndizipholela qonqo, but I know umntana wakho ubufunde Westering, ufunda grade 4A, ukwi-Blue House, Wednesday next week bazawubaleka. Siyixelelwa nini lona singayibuzanga? We're not saying do not make content abantwana benu, but we are saying do not post critical information that can put your child's life, because your children are defenseless. Bancinci abantwana, banakarati, abanakhumfu. Stop it. Nani nomntana ke mnake.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. Nangisese usende message to bantu ukuthi yelani post abantu abenu kubo social media, TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp. Wena uposta umntwana wakho uyasitshela ufunza phi, ufunza grade bani, ufunza kuliphi class. Simati ngishabhekile ngisho simbona endleleni nona ungekho siyazi ukuthi umntwana wakho, because wena uthanda ukuposta, uthanda kwenda ama-vlogs, uposte enkundleni yokuxhumana, ukhombise umntwana wakho esikolweni, umkhombise ukuthi ufunza kusiphi isikolo, ungena esikhathini, kuphuma esikhathini. Hey guys, uyasho lo sesiko ukuthi nina nifaka abantu abene engcupheni because kubalula nje umuntu makafuna kidnap amntwaneni because uvele adi ukuthi ufunza phi, ngiyomthola phi, ufunza kuliphi class, uphuma esikhathini, ungena esikhathini. Nithathe information yabantu abenu nifumbe kubo social media. Umuntu athi yonke into ngemntwana wakho ungakamtsheli, because wena uhlezi uposta uthi niyakhala nge-kidnapping ukuthi hey bantu babathumba njani. But you guys ngini lenifaka abantu abenethi engcupheni. Ngini lenivloga kuniposte ebo TikTok, nivuke nivloge hambise abantwana esikoleni, nesikhombe umntwana ufunza grade bani, ufundziswa ngumema bani, konke kudendule singayidi ngebantu abenu. What do you think wena ngale nkulumo yalusisi? Are you posting your kids on social media or not? So do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.